The Boulogne Aratea is a book of constellations named for its current home in northern France. A Greek verse treatise on astronomy by the ancient poet Aratus of Soli lies at the root of the manuscript's Latin text. The codex was made at the Benedictine monastery of Saint-Bertin in St Omer around the year 1000. Its images are fairly faithful copies of those in a now lost late Roman manuscript. The celestial planisphere that opens the treatise shows the relative positions of the constellations. The circle of the zodiac is shown against an orange-colored band. Also depicted is the Milky Way as an orange line enhanced with gold. It is appropriately labeled Lacteus Circulus, the Milky Circle. The focus of the text is the constellations, including most of the signs of the zodiac. Among the zodiacal signs described and depicted are Cancer, the crab, Leo, the lion, and Taurus, the bull. Novice, the boat, also numbers among the depictions of star patterns. It appears as the stern of a sailing ship with oars. The hull is decorated with the image of a woman, whose identity remains a puzzle. A planetary diagram closes the treatise. Personifications of the months on golden backgrounds and the signs of the zodiac are pictured on an orange band around the perimeter. The planets, which include the sun and moon, follow circular orbits within. At the center is Earth, personified as a recumbent woman. The manuscript is a consummate expression of the medieval Christian interest in pagan astronomy. The splendidly illuminated ancient astronomical text is prefaced by a calendar and a series of tables concerning perceived movements of the sun and moon, followed by detailed explanations. All of this is geared toward calculating the date of Easter each year, which in turn determines the dates of many other Christian feasts. The calendar is unusual in that the large middle column is entirely blank. It nevertheless sends the message that ancient knowledge about the movement of the sun and the stars is crucial for the calculation of the Christian calendar. That purpose is only enhanced by the visual appeal of the gods, heroes, animals, and objects seen by the ancients in the night sky. The facsimile was published by Incipit in Spain in 2023.